Hi, this is Sarah from the Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about the meaning of error code 01 in the Samsung TV, the cause and the solution. But first, what does this error code mean? Error code 01 is a Samsung TV code that indicates a hitch when connecting to Smart Hub. It occurs when you try to connect your TV to Smart Hub, especially for the first time. As you connect to Smart Hub, internet stability may interfere with downloading the terms and conditions that facilitate the use of the service. The following is the common cause of this error: hitches when connecting to Smart Hub. Now, let's look at the best solutions to fix the error. Resetting the Smart Hub. Check your internet connection and ensure it's stable. Press the Home button on the remote and open Settings. Go to Support, open Self-Diagnosis, and select the Reset Smart Hub option. Enter your PIN to start resetting. If it's the first time, the default PIN is 0000. After resetting, open Smart Hub and see if you can access the terms and conditions. If you receive a message that the server is under maintenance, wait for some time and then reload the terms and conditions. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.